here we are, this is December. Look at that wood burner. Now, what we want to be doing is
since it's not been here.
yeah.
No, I mean, while I wasn't here, didn't really use the fire.
Yeah.
Through not being here.
Yeah.
Since I've been back, I haven't got around to doing this yet. Should have done it a month or two ago.
But it's underway now.
Needs must is.
Needs must.
There's some you just stuff a thing up there.
Mm-hmm.
You get the next one, screw it on. And there it is on. And then try to do it up without doing what?
Whoa! Don't disturb them. And you thought those were decoration. No.
What are these? A whole fucking chimney with it. So, in which case, I'll take that. And I put chicken wire in the top of the chimney.
So,
then
we found a tennis ball, Jazz. Yay! So next thing is to drill.
Drill a hole in a tennis ball.
We can now attack it properly with a drill. And the man gets to work with his drill.
See if this works.
Yay! Pop.
A tight hole that would be.
Yeah.
It needs to be bigger, or at least enough to ram on the end of the. It might, because rubber's sort of stretchy.
Yeah.
It might go on the thing as it is.
Uh-huh.
Or we might need to adjust it with
A little bit of a knife or something. Yeah.
We're going to do that.
So that was smouldering. That was on its last embers. Just put a piece of wood in it, and off it goes again. That's a demonstration of the principle of no smoke. So the tennis ball goes up.
We hope. Yeah.
There it is. Let's see it again.
Well, bit sooty.
There it is, a sooty ball that's just gone up the chimney.
It won't.
I suppose the first thing is is take the ball off and see if it will go up without the ball.
I think what I have to do, no, because the whole point was the ball was, it wouldn't go up without the ball.
Mm.
The idea was that the ball was to help it guide round a bend. So the first thing then is to take these out.
Very good. Mm-hmm. Goes on top.
A narrower stiff brush in the shed.
Right.
Sort of bulky wooden.
Okay, that looks better. One of the jobs I don't think you would have chosen to think about doing would have been steeplejack.
I don't know, that thread didn't manage it. I suppose you just got used to it.
Yeah.
Or maybe a bit careful.
Yeah, it's the important thing is to be careful.
Tennis ball first.
Tennis ball first. Shall I go inside?
frightening a spider here.
Hey?
Frightening a spider.
Oh, that's all right. You can frighten as many spiders as you want. And seeing what's happened down here. Yeah, there's a nest in there. There's and over there. All that stuff has just come down from up there as well. There you go. You're featured in, I think, the Western Morning News property supplement by the look of it.
Oh, I bet they seem like bargains now.
There is clearly smoke emanating from the chimney now.